Hello and welcome back to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the brand new Catania Collection. This is the only size that we have, and let's go take a look at this beautiful collection. Introducing the Catania Collection, a true representation of sophistication and design precision, tailored for the discerning homeowner. Crafted with a luxurious 48-inch walnut finish, it asserts a timeless elegance in your bathroom. Select between the pristine white polymarble countertop and the striking black engineered quartz countertops, each designed to cater to your unique style while offering unmatched durability. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features a push-to-open mechanism, providing a seamless user experience free from the visual clutter of hardware. Equipped with an elegantly integrated rectangular sink that features an overflow, pre-drilled to accommodate a single-hole faucet mount. It includes a chic pop-up drain, adding a touch of sophistication while emphasizing your user experience. Expand your storage with an optional open shelf and metal frame, a blend of aesthetic appeal and functional design, keeping your essentials organized and within easy reach. So if you need to take off the drawers off of this vanity, it's pretty simple. All you need to do once you open the drawer is just to take off one screw off of each side. You've got one underneath on the left and right, just near the drawer panel. Once those two screws are out, all you need to do is pull the drawer up and towards you, and it's as simple as that. Golden Elite Deco is proud to present the Catania Collection, inviting luxury and elegance into your daily routine.